Hi, I'm Emerson.
And I'm Sarah.
And we look forward to coming to your beautiful country. We can hardly wait to see you. We're going to share insights that have helped thousands of couples around the world.
And we've heard from so many that this is the event that women and men want to attend.
She says to her husband, "Do you see that couple over there?" "What? Do you see that couple over there?" "Yeah. What about him?" "Well, look at how he's got his arm around her. He's stroking her hair. He's speaking sweet nothings into her ear." "Yeah? Well, why don't you do something like that?" "I don't even know that woman." They're seated for a couple minutes into this meal when suddenly she blurts out, "That's the worst meal I've ever made." He said, "No, it's not, honey. Now, where's that going?" "Okay, mama's boy. You're saying that I've made thousands of worse meals than this one. You can just go move in with her a couple weeks and let her feed your fat face." But what if he was full of goodwill? Meaning, by what he said, you've never made a bad meal. That evening is shot, folks.
Women said, "Dr. Emerson, I have to be honest with you. I don't feel any respect for him. Be hypocritical for me to show respect when I don't feel it. And I know you don't want me to be a hypocrite. You know, he hasn't earned the respect, and everybody says you got to earn respect. He hasn't deserved it. He's not superior to me, and that's the dictionary definition of respect. You show respect to your superiors. I'm not inferior to him. I'm not going to be treated like a doormat. I'm certainly not going to give him license to do what he wants, come in with pom-poms and cheer him on to do whatever he wants, and just respect all that behavior. I'm not going to lose a sense of myself and identity. I'm not going to set the feminist movement back 50 years. You know what I really think you're up to? You want to return to male patriarchy and get us back to fear male dominance. I'm not going to do that. I'm certainly not going to subject myself to emotional abuse. But other than those things, I'm really open to hearing what you have to say about this.
We look forward to meeting you. See you soon.